a Spiderman helicopter. You're supposed to control it with your hand. Did you have switch the on-off switch? There we go. Control it with your hand. With your hands. There you go. Very good. That is really cool. You see how you're controlling it with your hands? It's like magic.
Whoa!
That is so cool. Follow it. You have to follow it before it falls.
Whoa!
You have to catch it if you want to stop it. There it goes.
Oh my! Whoa! Look at that!
It's spinning on the ceiling. Wow, he's out of control.
Oh, I hope it doesn't break the light.
There it goes.
There it goes.
Try to catch it. Try to get it, Christian. Here it comes. It's coming down. There you go. You got it. Good job. Wow. That's really neat though, right?
It's too hard.
I'm gonna try it again. Be ready for it. Here it goes. Whoa! Whoa, in the sink.
Oh my god!
Okay, we just got this whole tub worth of different color putty. There's green, purple, pink, and orange, and they all look fluorescent color.
It came with so much.
How does it feel?
It feels like.
Is it sticky?
Yeah. No, it's not sticky to my finger. It's not. But you can eat.
Wow. Try to get the rest of the green out so we can open the next color.
Do you know if it dries out?
Putty, I think it does, yes. So we have to make sure we keep the lid on it when we're not using it. Keep digging. Okay, we're at the next level. Purple.
It's gonna feel spicy this time.
Start taking it out.
Oh, look, what's this?
Whoa, look at that. Okay, start taking all the purple out. That one seems more sticky.
It is. It just looks more to my hands. And the green one. We're doing purple now, the next color. Oh. That's purple. That's cool.
Yeah, right? That's my favorite color.
Yeah. When it's like that, it looks spiky this time than the green. But Mom, my favorite color is orange and yellow.
Orange is the last one
And the
in this bucket.
The pink is the second one. I like the purple. I like orange and yellow.
A lot of putty. I see the It is yucky.
I know it smells yucky.
It has a bad smell, but it's fun to play with.
Yeah, really fun. It smells a little bit yucky. Next level, pink. Whoa! Look at the pink.
This is the third layer, right?
Yeah.
The first one was green. Then we had purple. Now we're at pink.
And then the next color of the last one is orange.
Orange is last. That's Christian's favorite. Yellow too? Okay, this doesn't have yellow. But we have orange. Dig out all that pink.
This room has been running out of air, and now it's starting to spin. You make me feel kind of bad, kind of good.
Or unicorns, maybe.
Everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kind of wrong, kind of right, kind of anything, and I would change it if I could.
Super sticky. Oh yeah, look at that. You know what else this looks like? Sherbet.
What?
Right? The sherbet that you like to get from the ice cream
That
store.
I'm fading, I think I'm losing my
Pink and
sight.
orange.
I swear I'm hitting the floor. I could swear that my stomach just sunk a meter. I'll be dead if I take any more. You make me feel kind of bad,
Almost to the last one.
good, kind of everything, yet it doesn't
The last
feel like
level
it should.
is orange.
You make me feel kind of wrong, kind of right, kind of anything, and I would change it if I could.
That one seems the stickiest. Yes, not as much as all the other colors.
It makes noise.
It does. What kind of noise?
And like,
Toots?
no. It's like,
Popping? Sounds like popping.
maybe it's pop. The noise.
Get it all out.
Mom.
Okay, so we took all the colors out. What are the colors, Gia?
Green, purple, pink, and orange.
Wow, so what are you going to do with it?
I'm gonna swish it around. I'm gonna swish it around and stretch it around. And
Christian, why don't you come play too?
yeah, I'm gonna get sticky.
Okay. If you don't want sticky hands, you don't have to play.
I'm gonna pick. Which one should I do? I'll go some green. I'll just.
Why don't you pick a different color?
I'll just pick orange.
Okay.
It's okay.
Very sticky.
You really want to play this? Yeah. Let me know when you don't want to. But get it all in your phone. Mama, please forget like this. That is I'm okay.
It's supposed to be messy. It's putty.
Yes, it's put.
Why don't about you make something? Make a face, make something.
I'll know if I can put on the table or not.
Mm-hmm.
I can?
Yes?
But it might stick. It's okay. And it might go everywhere. But it's okay because you will clean it up. This is really sticky. What do you know when you don't want to play? Okay. Oh, just get it in it. Wow. Oh, my fingernails. Oh, mine too.
Are you gonna make something with it? Why don't you try to make a snowman?
Look, a bridge.
Yeah, look at that. It looks like a bridge. Oh, it broke.
That looks like a volcano, like.
Yeah, it does.
I'll go try to make a snowman. First, I need some purple. I'm trying to make a circle. Oh, another bridge. Oh.
Wow.
And then I made this circle, so then we put it down. I'm gonna cut it. And I need some more to make the next one. Oh, another bridge. Wow, sticky. Another one. Making a lot of bridges. I got a bigger piece to his body, and then I have to make his head. So they put it on top.
Very good.
And now I have to make the smallest one. She's not that funny. Mine's little head. Mine's okay if it makes cutters.
Try not to, but it's okay if it does a little bit.
I really don't want mixed colors in my thing. But I got a sticky. Try not to mix it in any colors, but you can play with this. But I don't want to put on. This pretty one on the screen. How can I make a hat?
Try to make it out of the clay.
It's about to fall, a snowman. It's tipping over. I'll try to make his face. It's tipping over because you're making it too big. No, I'm not. Well, that's a too big eye. I have to make a little. I'm making this smooth. It's having. A little bit smaller. Oh my God. Snowman. I put it on him.
His eye?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then his face. I'm gonna smash it. Just can't.
Looks like he's tipping over a little.
Mine?
Yeah.
Oh my God, yeah, it is. I did not even notice that.
He's melting.
Oh no. I can make him tighter. I'm gonna put on his buttons. I need more to cover the hole. My snowman.
Are you finished with your snowman?
Yeah.
Let's see him. Very cute. Good job, Gia.
Smash.
Smash it.
Everyone do this. Yeah. That's gonna get mixed with your hands. Try to get the orange off before you put it away. I got pink. Otherwise, this is no good in color. Here, I'll put it. I'll do that. Now I'm using the pink one. I know what to make. I'm gonna try to make my face.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's see.
This is good.
What are you making first?
The head. I
Okay.
have to make the circle. This is how I'm gonna do it. I can't make it hard. do green. Why did I have to again? This is a little messy. No.
She is making her face. Why don't you try making a frog since you have green?
But wrong.
And try.
Okay. Made the head. Now I make the eyes. Can I stick together? Stick. Then I put one here. Yeah, stick it. Stick. I'll make the mouth green, more green. I made the mouth. Let's finish the other eye. I made the mouth eye. When I'm making the mouth red, I have to spread it around. Hair. We need a big piece to do this. I did it. Here, that's one of my hair. This one feels good. When I got a lot, I'll try to make my body and stuff.
Okay.
I made my head!
Wow, it looks just like you.
Now I need this piece.
Very good, Gia. Nice job.
Making this smooth.
Very good.